Anger, an emotion that is universally experienced, can often manifest as a response to perceived threats, injustices, or frustrations. While it is a normal and natural reaction, the way we manage and express anger can have profound implications for our overall health. In recent years, a growing body of research has suggested that chronic anger can be a significant contributor to various physical and mental health problems. This article explores the reasons why anger can be considered a major cause of diseases, how it impacts the body and mind, and ways to manage it effectively. Understanding anger. Anger is a basic human emotion that can vary in intensity from mild irritation to intense rage. It can be triggered by external factors, such as conflicts with others, or internal factors, such as feelings of frustration or disappointment. While anger can serve a protective function motivating individuals to confront threats or injustices, when it becomes chronic or uncontrolled, it can lead to serious health issues. The physiological effects of anger. When a person experiences anger, the body responds with a physiological reaction often referred to as the fight or flight response. This involves the release of stress hormones, such as adrenaline and cortisol, which prepare the body to react to perceived danger. While these hormones can be beneficial in short bursts, chronic anger can have detrimental effects on the body. Cardiovascular health. Chronic anger is linked to increased heart rate and blood pressure. Over time, this can lead to conditions such as hypertension, heart disease, and even heart attacks. Studies have shown that individuals who frequently express anger have a higher risk of cardiovascular problems. Immune system suppression. Prolonged anger can weaken the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to infections and diseases. Chronic stress and anger can lead to inflammation, which has been associated with various health conditions, including autoimmune diseases. Digestive issues. Anger can also impact the digestive system. Stress hormones can alter gut function, leading to conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and other gastrointestinal problems. Individuals under chronic anger may experience symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, or constipation. Muscle tension and pain. The body's physical response to anger often includes muscle tension. Over time, this can result in chronic pain conditions, such as tension headaches, migraines, and back pain. Sleep disturbances. Anger can interfere with sleep patterns, leading to insomnia or poor quality sleep. Lack of sleep can exacerbate feelings of anger and frustration, creating a vicious cycle that negatively impacts overall health. The psychological impact of anger. In addition to its physical effects, chronic anger can significantly impact mental health. Here are several ways it can manifest. Increased anxiety and depression. Individuals who struggle with anger often experience heightened levels of anxiety and depression. The inability to manage anger can lead to feelings of helplessness and hopelessness, contributing to a negative mental health state. Social isolation. Chronic anger can strain relationships with friends, family, and colleagues. Frequent outbursts or aggressive behavior can lead to social isolation, which in turn can exacerbate feelings of loneliness and depression. Cognitive impairment. Anger can cloud judgment and impair decision-making abilities. Individuals who are frequently angry may find it challenging to think clearly, leading to poor choices that can further impact their health and well-being. Lowered self-esteem. Continuous struggles with anger can lead to feelings of shame and guilt. Individuals may feel embarrassed about their anger responses, which can contribute to low self-esteem and a negative self-image. The relationship between anger and chronic diseases. Research indicates that chronic anger is associated with various chronic diseases. Here are some key connections. Heart disease. As mentioned earlier, the link between anger and cardiovascular health is well documented. Studies have shown that individuals with high levels of hostility and anger are at a greater risk for heart disease and related complications. Diabetes. There is evidence suggesting that anger and hostility can impact insulin resistance and glucose metabolism, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. The stress response triggered by anger can lead to hormonal changes that affect how the body processes sugar. Cancer. While the relationship between anger and cancer is complex and not fully understood, some studies suggest that chronic anger may contribute to cancer progression. The inflammatory response associated with anger can create an environment conducive to tumor growth. Autoimmune disorders. Chronic anger and stress can trigger or exacerbate autoimmune diseases, where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks healthy cells. Conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus have been linked to chronic emotional stress, including anger. Managing anger for better health. Given the potential health risks associated with chronic anger, it is crucial to develop effective strategies for managing this emotion. Here are some approaches that can help. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness can help individuals become aware of their anger triggers and responses. Techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can encourage relaxation and reduce the intensity of anger. Physical activity. Regular exercise is an effective way to release pent-up energy and reduce stress. Physical activity can also boost mood by releasing endorphins, which act as natural mood lifters. Therapy and counseling. Seeking professional help can provide individuals with tools to manage anger constructively. Therapists can help individuals explore the root causes of their anger and develop coping strategies. Effective communication. Learning to express feelings constructively can prevent anger from escalating. Using I statements to communicate feelings and needs can foster healthier interactions. Social support. Building a support network of friends, family, or support groups can provide individuals with an outlet for discussing their feelings and frustrations, reducing feelings of isolation. Healthy lifestyle choices. Eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding substances such as alcohol and drugs can improve overall well-being and resilience against anger. Conclusion. While anger is a natural emotion, its chronic expression can have detrimental effects on both physical and mental health. From cardiovascular diseases to digestive issues and mental health disorders, the implications of unmanaged anger are vast and significant. However, by adopting effective management strategies, individuals can reduce the risk of these health problems and improve their overall quality of life. Understanding and addressing anger not only benefits individual health but can also lead to healthier relationships and a more positive community environment. In the end, recognizing anger as a potential health hazard is the first step toward personal and collective healing.